Welcome back, guys. So today we're gonna go over the voice command for this GoPro Hero 7 Black series, and I believe it's also applied to the GoPro 7 White and then a Silver Edition, or maybe from a previous GoPro that offered the voice command. So first of all, you need to go ahead and then power this unit on by pressing this power button. Press and hold it down for more than 2 or 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Let me try to zoom in. So you want to go ahead and pull down the menu by swiping down. And right here is the voice command right here on the left hand side. I'm going to go, right now it's activated. I'm going to press off. Oops. I'm going to press off. So as you see, it says voice command. It is off right now. And then another way to turn this on or activate the voice commands by pressing the preference. And then right here, you want to go scroll down to voice command right here. Okay, and then you're going to hit it. And you see voice command right now is off. You want to go ahead and click on it. And right here, it allows you to activate, to turn it on by pressing on. All right. And once you activate this voice command, it gives you an option to turn on or off wake on voice. So that means when your GoPro is off, you could simply by saying that word. I'm not going to say it right now because it's going to mess up this tutorial. And then another one is to say that phrase. If you need to record the video, you're going to say that word, okay? So right now it's off right now. And when you turn it on, it allows you to do those two things when your GoPro is off. So let's go ahead and go back. And we're going to go through a couple of the commands right here. There's actually a whole bunch of commands. Those are all the phrases. Capture means to take a picture or to take a video. Or when in the time lapse, see, that's why it picked up my voice right away. So right now I believe we're in the time lapse. So yeah. So you can say by GoPro video mode. So right now we're switching the video mode. GoPro photo mode. GoPro time-lapse mode. Alright, so or we could say GoPro video mode. And then I could say GoPro capture. So now it's recording. As you can see, the red light is blinking. Oops. So and then you're going to say GoPro stop recording. Okay. And GoPro photo mode. GoPro capture. GoPro take a picture. GoPro take a photo. Okay. Or you can say turn it off, but I'm not going to turn it off right now. So let's go drop down the menu again. Go to preference. Voice control again. Let's go check out the comments again. All right, so you got all those stuff right there. You can say that word or stop capture, either stop recording or stop capture. We did that or you can do the shoot burst, and then start time lapse or stop time lapse. And we did the video mode and photo mode already, time lapse mode. And then you can say burst mode. You can say to turn it off, and then turn on. So you see turn on wake on voice, or the other one is to start recording wake on voice. In case you have an emergency situation that you need to record right away, but make sure it's activated. So let's go back the wake on voice. Make sure we activate that, and we're going to do a test real quick. So now be sure you both your voice control it is on, and then wake on voice it is on. Okay. So I'm going to turn the unit off by doing the voice control. GoPro turn off. So right here I can say GoPro start recording. GoPro start recording video. So as you can see right now, it has a countdown. That means or count up is recording right now. All right. GoPro start recording. GoPro record video. So I'm trying not to say anything because sometimes it's pick up the voice command. It might mess up your recording. So some of the user they decide not to use the voice command because sometimes it tend to screw up their recording. Like earlier, it just automatically stop recording. Or see, I didn't say GoPro stop recording, and then it pick up my voice. So this unit it is off right now. So you want to touch the screen. So it's completely off. So you can say GoPro turn on. All right, and then there are two ways to say it. GoPro capture, which is start recording. See, they pick up my voice wrong and stuff like that. So this I'm gonna miss in his. So GoPro capture. GoPro stop capture. GoPro start recording. GoPro stop recording. So there are two ways to say it, either capture or start recording. I didn't say GoPro. I'm not sure why it says it start recording already. So anyway, GoPro stop recording. GoPro photo mode. What? So in the photo mode, GoPro time-lapse mode. So right here, you can set the time-lapse in like you could do the time warp video, time-lapse video, time-lapse photo, night lapse photo. Oh my god. I didn't say GoPro and change to photo mode. What the? So right here, you can set the timer right here. Either 3 seconds or 10 seconds. So when I click on 3 seconds and I press the shutter button, you're gonna do the countdown, 3, 2, 1, and then start taking a picture or photo, okay? Or you can hit here. That's a photo mode, burst mode, or the night mode. 3 mode for you to choose. And this one can allow you to zoom. If you're gonna take a picture, you need to zoom in or zoom out, okay? And to access your gallery individually, you can swipe up. This is the picture that we just took earlier, okay? You could delete it, or you can click on this to highlight and add it. And you can swipe it to the left to see the different slide or your video. It's all combined, okay? So you can click on this upper left hand side. You can click on this upper left hand column right here. You could the gallery mode, which is a square right here, the 9 squares. And then right here on the speaker, you could high, mid, or mute when you play a video. So right now, mute, unmute, high, mid, and then mute. See the speaker with the X, that's mute. And you got the big speaker right there. And then just no line. I mean, we're on medium. And right here, if you hit the gallery, and okay, if you do the video, this one is a slow motion, okay? You can play back with the slow-mo. Or you could select where you want to play the video. Right here, this is the gallery mode right here. Okay, and this is all your video, your photo, your time lapse. It's all in here. Okay, and then if you need to select and delete pictures, video, photos, or time lapse, you can click on the check button right here, and allow you to select individually. Okay, or if you want, you can select all by clicking the checkbox, and then click on delete icon right there. Gonna exit out. Or if you delete one at a time, you can select that one. You could click on the check again and select randomly which one you want to select. This one, that one, and just click on delete. And you ask you to confirm. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this 2 items? And then click on delete. And there you go. It's deleted. So as you can see right now. All right, so this is a photo mode because there's no play button. All right, so there's a problem right now because I think the unit is getting hot. I can feel that it's getting warm and stuff like that. So somehow when it's warm, it doesn't allow you to touch. So that's why I'm trying to return this GoPro 7. It seems like it froze up. A lot of people were complaining, so I guess it is true. even though I updated the firmware and everything, so it's kind of annoying. See, you won't even play, so at least I could drag down and go to a different mode and stuff like that, but I don't know why is it. Let's go back to gallery mode again by swiping up. That was a picture. This is a video. I didn't say GoPro. I'm not sure why it says start recording. So I'm not sure why now it's working again. GoPro, stop recording. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in a comment on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.